Hello and welcome back to the channel. This will be episode 5 of the 10K to 3085K funded FTMO challenge, and it will be a festive one because I passed the 10K account challenge. Let's recap the trades that I took. So the first trade that I took was on Euro-Japanese yen. What I noticed was this nice upward movement. I was actually looking for some impulse up to make this trend more considerable so that I can re-enter and continue the trade. But I was also having an eye open for this level here, which may serve as a reverse point in the trend. So I was just keeping a look on this certain pair on the 5-minute time frame, and let's see what happens with it. So we can see that the ascending channel has been broken to the downside. This is quite good info because I already can set a pending order, and I think I did at this point, or maybe at the next candle. The thing is, I set my pending order on this candle because the broker that FTMO offers doesn't show this candle as an inside bar. It was actually lower than this bar, so this was my reference bar. So I set a sell trade on this certain level. The stop loss standard 10 pips should be okay. It covers the whole top of the range, and let's see how the trend goes, how the trade goes. Sorry, you can see the momentum continuing to the downside, and at this point I was hoping to get triggered even if some news came, and I think there was some news in the US market because this impulsive candle didn't come from nowhere. But anyway, we got triggered in the candle, so in the trade, sorry, and we are now waiting for the low to be broken. Let's see how the trade is going. And unfortunately, the same news took us out, so we get taken out for a full 1% here on the Euro-Japanese yen. I still like the trade. The thing is, the news was kind of disturbing for the market. As you can see, we have this nice ascending broken down with momentum. We had a nice retest here at this level, and the trade should be valid. Now, I don't regret this trade, but anyway, minus 1% is minus 1%. So let's move on to the next trade, which actually passed me the FTMO. So the second trade that I took today was on gold on the 5-minute time frame. As you can see, the news that we spoke about earlier on the Euro-Japanese yen trade also showed up here. So we have this huge wick, and what we can also notice is this huge box, this huge liquidity zone here, and this one here. And what I wanted to see was a clear break in either side so that we can enter the trade. And let's see how the market went. Still messy price action, but then this candle convinced me to set buy limit right on this top of the candle, right on this wick, and to set my stop loss. Thing is, I debated my stop loss a bit here, but I came to the conclusion that $1.50 in gold price is enough. I opened 0.6 lots here, risking 1% on a 10K account. And let's see how this trade went. So we get triggered in the trade right away, and we are only looking for 4.5% here so that we can pass the FTMO challenge, the 10K FTMO challenge. So this is actually where I set my take profit, and let's see what the market does. A bit of a compression triangle here from the technical analysis side, sorry. So when we see this kind of pattern, we either accept an impulsive break to the upside or an impulsive break to the downside. Fortunately for me, it went in my direction, so we can see the break. Now I had absolutely, I had close to no emotions regarding this trade being okay because it broke the triangle in the upside. So I expected, as you can see, a huge impulse to the upside, and the next candle is the candle that triggered my take profit, rendering me 10% overall on this account and passing the FTMO challenge. So thanks for watching. See you in the verification series, and don't forget, this is only the 10K account. We still have some accounts to cover. Again, thanks for watching the videos. Be sure to check the other videos from the channel. Be sure to check Chris's backtesting video from today. It's pretty neat. And yeah, guys, have a nice weekend. It's been a nice trading week, plus 10% in this week, which isn't bad at all. So see you in our next series. Bye-bye.